Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible, a modern reimagining of a classic American icon. This car combines nostalgic charm with contemporary performance and features, and we're excited to dive into the details of its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing, so let's get started. When it comes to the exterior design, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible stays true to its roots while bringing a fresh, modern twist. The car's profile is instantly recognizable, with its flowing, sculpted lines that hark back to the 1950s Bel Air, but it's updated with a sleeker, more aerodynamic look. The wide chrome grille featuring the iconic Chevrolet bowtie emblem gives the car a commanding presence on the road. The headlights are bold and contemporary with LED technology offering superior visibility, while the tail fins, one of the hallmark features of the original Bel Air, have been subtly refined, offering a more streamlined silhouette without losing that nostalgic touch. The soft-top convertible roof is made of durable, high-quality materials designed for easy operation, providing an open-air driving experience in just a few simple steps. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible delivers impressive performance. Chevrolet offers a choice of powertrains for this model. The standard engine is a 3.6-liter V6, delivering a robust 310 horsepower. It's paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures a responsive yet comfortable ride. For those seeking more power, there's also an option for a 5.3-liter V8 engine, which cranks out 450 horsepower, giving the Bel Air a thrilling acceleration that brings back that classic muscle car feel. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads, this car's performance doesn't disappoint. The handling is precise, with a suspension system that keeps the ride smooth even at higher speeds. The steering is responsive, allowing for easy maneuverability, while the brakes offer confidence-inspiring stopping power. Now, let's take a look inside the 2025 Bel Air Convertible, where modern luxury meets classic styling. The cabin is a true blend of retro and contemporary, with plush leather seating, chrome accents, and a dashboard layout that feels both familiar and advanced. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with options for both heated and ventilated seats, ensuring comfort no matter the weather. The attention to detail is evident, from the elegant stitching on the seats to the polished chrome trim that surrounds the interior. The steering wheel, wrapped in leather, feels fantastic in hand and offers excellent feedback. The centerpiece of the interior is the advanced infotainment system. Chevrolet has included a large, high-resolution touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The sound system is superb, with available premium audio options that immerse you in crystal-clear sound. The Bel Air also comes with a host of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, making it not only stylish but also incredibly safe. When it comes to the driving experience, the 2025 Bel Air Convertible offers a perfect balance between comfort and excitement. The ride is smooth, thanks to the advanced suspension system, and whether you're cruising along a scenic route or taking it on a more spirited drive, the car feels solid and well connected to the road. The convertible roof is easy to operate and doesn't compromise the car's structural integrity, offering a quiet and enjoyable ride with the roof up and a breezy open-air experience when the roof is down. As for pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible starts at approximately $45,000 for the base model with the V6 engine. For those who want the added power of the V8, expect to pay around $55,000 for the upgraded trim. Of course, The price can rise with additional options and packages, such as the premium sound system or advanced driver assist features, bringing the price closer to $60,000 or more for a fully loaded model. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible offers a stunning blend of classic American style, modern luxury, and impressive performance. Whether you're a fan of the original Bel Air or a first-time buyer, this car promises an unforgettable driving experience. With its attention to detail, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance, the Bel Air is a true masterpiece in today's automotive world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews of the latest cars. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. Would you take one home?